Crude oil, we start with the daily chart. Based on daily chart, we don't have much changes from my last analysis. For more details, traders can refer to my previous analysis. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. Okay, based on forward chart, also now as we can see, we have the price start to correct here. Now the question is, okay, if you refer back to my analysis, the question is, we will have two options. The first option is that this is the only correction and relative to this, and this is the start of the up move. And the another one is still, because the way it's moving is still, we can expect one more correction for next move down. That's mean one move down. Then that time we will have this two before we get the up move. Okay, that's mean if you want to trade whether for buy or sell, me we will get both of them. Okay, but right now it's on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Okay, what I want to say that mostly we will be more interested if the price can start from here and move higher. That's mean if you get the buy setup. But right now we don't have any buy setup. And what we have here, we have 1, 2, 3. We have this correction. From what we have right now, still we can expect one move down. Okay, that's mean if we want to get the buy, we need to get the buy setup in case we consider this is the only correction. And we don't have any buy setup right now. If that's mean whether we get the correction here or if the price move a bit higher, move sharply, we get the small frag, a small correction, then we can look for buy. Rather than that, we don't have any buy setup. Okay, and how about if the prices start to drop similar what I'm drawing here, we won't buy it. Okay, because still we get the still may we get the correction for the next move down. That's mean right now we don't have any buy setup. Do we have any sell setup? Based on what we have right now, we can have this correction before the next move down. But how we can trade it, we don't have any trade setup within this range. The only way we can have entry below this. Okay, that's mean if you want to look for sell based on what we have right now, having entry below this, what we expect sharply price break and continue. Okay, but do we need to trade by having entry below this? Is really not a good idea. That's mean still we need to wait to see what we will get from here. That's mean if you want to look for sell, it's better for us to wait for the bigger correction before we look for sell. Okay, having entry below this, it depends whether traders they can manage it or not if they take the trade, because of the possibility the price come reverse also. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trades at all whether for buy or sell. All depends on what we will get here. Okay, because both option we will have, there is a possibility price from here continue and move up. Also there is a possibility we get a correction for the next move down. Okay, anyway, we just wait and see how this correction can form before we take the trade. For me, if I see one move down, the next move up, I get this correction, then from the top I will look for sell. And if I want to for buy, if the price drop, I start to buy at the low within this range. Okay, the only way I can buy from here, if the price continue a bit more higher, give me a flag, then I will look for buy. How about if it give me a correction here, I need to see what type of the correction can, I mean, based on lower time frame, this correction, can I put the correction in relative to this move before I take the trade? Okay, and anyway, we don't have any trade setup. All depends on what we will get here before we take the trade. In this case, we just wait and see what we will get. If I see any trade setup or any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.